Hi again. Just a quick video to show you guys how to get logged onto ALEKS. The main landing page for ALEKS has changed slightly since the last time, so I just did want to make a quick different video so that it looks exactly like what you're going to be seeing. So give me a moment. Let me reduce myself here and all right, so I'm assuming that you are in your MyMCC page, so we can either click on the Blackboard tile to go to our class, or the other way is if you just keep scrolling down, you'll see the My Classes. And you'll click on the Beginning Algebra, and we land on our Start Here page. And then if you, let me put back into student view so it looks exactly the same as yours. So if you keep scrolling down in this menu on the left, you'll see where it says ALEKS. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to automatically take you to the main login page for ALEKS. All right, so this looks a little bit different. Before we used to sign in over on the left, so now we are signing in over the right. So you either need to log in, which is what I would normally do, or sign up if you are a new student. If you have used ALEKS in a previous class, you can use that same login information. So just go ahead and type that in. Now, if I am signing up as a new student, I am going to pretend that my daughter is taking our class. So student sign up here, we're going to be using ALEKS with a class. So the class code, which is posted on our the Start Here page, it is FHYAY and HAKM9. And then I will hit continue, and it should show up with my name and it being Beginning Algebra and so on and so forth, which it does. So yes, we're going to confirm that this is the one at Muskegon Community College, winter 2021, and so on. So we're going to confirm that. And I am going to pretend that I haven't used ALEKS before so that I can show you how that all works. So I would enter my information, and let's see here. I'm going to pretend to be my daughter. There we go. And here we are. And let's see here. And make sure that you're doing a good password here. All right, and accept to the terms of use. And once you've done that, you should be able to hit continue without it being a problem. And I'm not going to worry about saving that password. Okay, now you'll notice here that you get a specific login name. Take a picture of this with your phone. Take a screenshot with a screenshot app, or write it down someplace, because it's not necessarily really obvious, and it assigns you a username. You don't get to pick it, so you have to use this. So for me, then, this is pretending to be my daughter. It's going to be M. Tweston O'Toole and a 2. All right. So then I am able to continue. And what I'm going to do right now is use the access code that is the free trial for 2-week access code. Now, if you want to purchase an access code directly here, you can just click, I need to purchase an access code, as long as you have your Visa or MasterCard, and then you can fill in. Just make sure that you get an 18, I think it's 18 weeks is what you want this to be. So let me look at my access code here. So now this is only going to give me a certain amount of time, at which point you will lose your information unless you extend. So it's really important. You don't want to lose all that work that you've done. So make sure that you get that taken care of before that 2-week trial period is up. Now, all of our homework and half of each test and the exam is going to be done through this program. You must sign up for this. You cannot pass the class if you do not. If you're having a problem getting books for some reason, getting money for books for some reason, then let me know privately, and I will get you to some of those college resources that are available. All right, so access code, continue. All right, and you'll notice here that it's temporary and it's going to expire on the 27th. And then you can purchase an access code to continue and extend that. When you have already purchased an access code, then it should say that it will go into like May, I believe, of 2021. If it doesn't, let me know. And then it's going to just kind of give you a little thing of, where is everything, and click things. They like to use orange to get your attention to do things. And it's going to kind of give you a little an in-game tutorial for how to type answers in here. So at this point, I'm going to stop my video because you can go to the ALEKS orientation video at that point. So if you are having any issues with this, please let me know. But remember, please write down your username. Very important. And remember your password. All right. Thank you.